Right, welcome to How to Draw Monster Trucks and Other Vehicles, and today we're going to draw a passenger jet, a jet aeroplane with passengers in it, and you're going to need a pencil or a blue colour pencil and a handwriting pen. We're going to start with like the sausage that the people are in, the fuselage it's called. So draw a line like that at the top. And it comes down a little bit here for where the pilots sit. Then it's got a nose like this that the radar is in, where it can detect all the other aeroplanes. And then I'm going to leave in a bit that there's going to be a line back here. I might just start it, but I'm going to leave. I'm not going to do too much of that. Then we want a nice big jet engine, and I'm going to go low, a bit lower because it's hanging below the wing. This is where your curly cut is going to be really helpful now. When you're drawing your tyres. Okay, and then inside that I'm going to do a little dome here. This is the middle of the fan blades. And we want another curly cut here. We can do all the little fan blades. And they're spinning really quick. And then we can draw the front, another curly cut here. Okay. And then we're going to carry these lines back a bit like the tyres. And we're going to stop there with that. Now I'm going to bring this line from the bottom of the fuselage all the way over and join that up. And we've got another engine on the other side, so we're going to draw a line around like this here. Right, like that. And inside it, it's going to have a curly cut going that way. And it's going to have its own fan blades. There we go, 2 engines. And then we want a wing, so let's have a look. Now, the wings, I'm going to draw a line over like this. And then the wings come round like this. And they've normally got like a little wingtip piece here. I'll bring that up, and then bring that across, and then bring that down, and then I'm going to join this wing up here. Lovely. Right. It's alright, going too quick, aren't I? It's alright. Then, next, I'll carry on around here on one of the jet engines, and sort of continue this shape on, so that way, that way. And then I'm going to do a curly cut around here. And they have another one coming out, the same but smaller. Now this is where I could do with moving the page. So I'm just going to move my page a little bit. Right. You go there. Oh, I'm going to more paper. Let's make some more paper. Lucky me, I can make more paper. Apologies about that. Right, okay. Now. Okay, I like to do mine like this. The contrail, 2 lines, and then a cloud. 2 lines, and a cloud. 2 lines, and then a cloud. There you go. Right, what do we need next? We could do with the bottom line coming out the back here, and it goes up. Goes up like this, so I'm going to go right like that. And we're going to need the elevators, the wings that make the nose go up and down. A line like that, and line like that, line like that. Join them up. And then I'm going to do a nice big tail fin with a rudder, so right, vertical line almost, and it goes forwards in the same direction as the aeroplane, forwards, and then it comes diagonally down. Way. And then this is going to join up now. I'm going to carry this line through. Whoosh. Oh, I don't like that, but it'll do. I wish it was lower. I'll do it lower. Okay, that's better. Not too bad. Only problem is, the person flying the plane can't see. So we need to give them windows. Now there's a trick to this because they're all on a line. I'm going to draw a line from here to the back very faintly. And then I'll do another one here. Very faintly, very faintly. Oh, it didn't work at all. So faintly, it wasn't there. Very faintly, very faintly, very faintly, very faintly. And then you just sort of join it up. Okay, so that's one window. That's another window. That's another window. And then you've normally got like a door. So let's have two curvy lines. Put the door in. And then the passenger windows. Well, actually, they're never square, the passenger windows. So we're going to do little ovals all the way down. There we go. Whoa! Looking good. Then this thing in the end here, this is where the radar is for detecting all the aeroplanes. So I need to make a sort of shape here. There we go. And what else does it need? It's normally got like a little triangle here to say danger. And what else does it need? It needs a rudder. What else does it need? It normally has like a black bit along here called the boot. That melts the ice when it gets ice on it. I'm going to fill that in. Okay. Do you know what? That doesn't look any good. I don't like that. I wish I hadn't done that bit. You can ignore that bit maybe. Okay. I'm going to go in black now. So... obviously making jet noises. These could do been really thin. Danger triangle. Which one did I like? Was it that one or was it that one? I think it was that one. There we go. Under the windows, there, am I? On holidays. Little windows. Start with the pilots. They need to see first. Oh, I should do this thinner. Don't do that thinner. Not doing that very well. I don't like this door, so I'm going to just do the window on the door and a tiny bit of line. Don't like it too much. Then oval windows. Whoa, that's way too big. So the passengers have a nice view. Yeah, and then that bit is normally like a colour, isn't it? So I'm going to go with like a red, an orangey red. I'm going to colour that in. Oh dear, you don't want to watch me do this. I'll do it quickly. It's messy, isn't it? I apologise. Oh, there we go. Pretty neat. Going on holiday. Oh, do you know what we need? We need clouds. Okay, so what I'm going to do, clouds, watch. Here's how you do a cloud. Let's get a pen. Straight line, whoosh. Curvy line, whoosh. Little line, whoosh. Big line, whoosh. There we go. No, it looks like we're high in the sky. Birds. Whee! There you go. So hope that helps. Have fun. See you next time.